Understanding the phrase, having cold feet. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, having cold feet. This expression is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English language and culture. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to have cold feet. The phrase, having cold feet, has an intriguing history. It is believed to have originated in the military context, where soldiers might have experienced cold feet due to physical conditions or fear before a battle. Over time, this literal experience of cold feet became a metaphor for feeling nervous or hesitant, especially when facing a significant decision or action. Understanding this background gives us a clearer picture of how the phrase is used in modern contexts. In contemporary English, having cold feet usually means being nervous or hesitant about a significant decision or action, particularly at the last moment. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is having doubts or second thoughts. For example, someone might get cold feet before their wedding, indicating they are nervous or having doubts about getting married. To help you understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. John had cold feet on his first day at the new job, but he quickly became comfortable. 2. I was all set to go skydiving, but I got cold feet when I saw the height. 3. She had cold feet about moving to a new city, but she eventually decided it was the right choice. In these examples, having cold feet is associated with initial nervousness or hesitation about a significant change or decision. It's important to use this phrase appropriately. Having cold feet is generally used in informal contexts and is perfect for casual conversations. It's not typically used in formal writing or speeches. Also, remember it's about a temporary feeling of nervousness or hesitation, not a permanent state of fear or anxiety. And that's all about the phrase, having cold feet. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about the culture and history behind them. Keep exploring and happy learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting language insights. See you in the next video.